Tired of the endless timeshare fees? You found a company promising a guaranteed buyer or a clean, easy exit. You paid an upfront fee to get the ball rolling, and then the calls stopped cold. The buyer never appeared. And your timeshare is still sitting in your name. Timeshare resale scams deliberately target people just trying to get out from under a bad deal. Report it to the proper authorities and to your card issuer. Then know these outfits leave footprints. At People Locator Skip Tracing, our investigation team uses lawful public records, business and address history, phone records, and open source research to help connect the company name, the principles behind it, and the callback lines to real, identifiable people. We work only for lawful, permissible purposes, and we are honest about what we can and cannot find. They took an upfront fee and a head start, but a head start is not the same as a clean getaway. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to start your search and subscribe to the channel for more on tracing the people behind these resale schemes.